MURA stock analysis and MURA stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Mural Oncology is 135% up. Big fan, great performance, but let's look at it from an eagle point of view because people are just so ultra focused. Not the biggest fan. It's a big bearish range. I mean, I've seen this happen time and time again. Pumps and dumps like this are just immortal. You know, they are gonna keep happening. Well, overall, since I've done 39,000 videos, I'm aware of this and I've seen what's making me money, what's not. In this instance, still keeping an idea that this is the bearish range. And with this in mind, let me just mark down the lows. Only if the price does show me some sort of shift, only then I'm going to be looking to take it down. And honestly, since it's a supply zone, it can actually shift the completely other way around. And that's why I'm going to keep you updated. And if you want to stay tuned and want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.